structure is unsurprisingly all new. The lower elements are all made from high-strength aluminum, with extrusions and castings and load-bearing aluminum sheet metal, used to create a space frame upper structure, to which aluminum, carbon fiber, and high-strength steel body panels are bolted. Purosangue is a shrinking violet. It's 195.7 inches long overall, 79.8 inches wide, 62.6 inches tall and measures 118.8 inches between the axles. It is the largest, tallest Ferrari ever made. The Purosangue looks taut and compact, more like a hot hatch on steroids than a big, high-riding luxury crossover. Inside, behind a redesigned steering wheel that includes all the touch controls for the hands on the wheel, eyes on the road philosophy seen on the SF90 Stradale, Ferrari Roma, SF90 Spider, and 296 GTB is Ferrari's excellent configurable instrument panel. Ahead of the front seat passenger is a 10.2-inch screen that can display most of the same data the driver sees, should they want it, along with all the infotainment menus. The Purosangue is strictly a four-seater, mainly because of the large transmission tunnel that runs through the cabin. Also ensuring its place in the Ferrari bloodline is the fact that it will be available at first with only a single powertrain, a 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12 engine that revs to 8,250 RPM. Its power output of 715 horsepower puts it well above the Lamborghini Urus Performance twin-turbo V8, but the non-turbo V12 falls behind its boosted competitors in terms of torque, with only 528 pound-feet. Thanks for watching, and leave your comments below.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Audio Jungle.